Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in different time frames. Friends, here you can see a 15-minute chart of gold futures where we will start our study at the movements of gold futures. Here you can see that on March 17, 2019, we witnessed a sharp downward move up to the level of $1281, where we witnessed good buying from the levels of $1281. Here you can see that how sharp buying spree was there, and since then the gold futures had been consolidating up to March 8 at the level of $1286, and since March 8th we witnessed a good spurt in gold futures from the levels of $1287 up to the levels of $1295, where the gold futures witnessed some resistance and moved downward up to the level of $1291. In this process, the gold futures formed a bullish hammer which resulted in a good bounce. In the 15-minute chart, here you can see that the gold futures moved in the range of $1295 to $1,300, and here you can see that the gold futures showed a good consolidation in the 15-minute chart. Here you can see that this consolidation in gold future was here. The gold futures maintained a good uptrend amid this zone. Here you can see that this bullish engulfing is evident enough for an upward move on the first trading session of the week of March 10, 2019. Now let us have a look at the movement of gold futures in a 4-hour chart. Here you can see how the gold futures amid this range, the gold futures witnessed a good consolidation between the range of $1306 to $1329 from February 1st to February 18th before witnessing a breakout from the levels of $1329 up to the levels of $1349, where the gold futures found stiff resistance. No doubt that the gold futures once again tried to break the levels of $1349 on February 20th, but since then we have seen strong downward move in gold futures till March 3rd, 2019, when the gold futures touched the lowest level at $1281, and after testing this level once again on March 7th, 2019, gold futures started to move upward and currently closed here on the last trading session of the week. But before closing, here you can see that the gold futures have formed 3 outside candles which are evident enough for the continuation of an uptrend in gold futures during the upcoming week. On the other hand, if we have a look at the current position of moving averages, we will find that the 20 days exponential moving average has come over 20 days moving average, and 50 days exponential moving average is trying to come over the 50 days moving average, and all the 4 moving averages are trying to turn in upward direction, which indicates the continuation of an uptrend in gold futures. Friends, these are my expected trading zones for the gold futures for the week of March 10, 2019. Currently, the gold futures have closed at the levels of $1298, where we can see a little pressure before the closing. Therefore, I pointed out 3 opening zones for the upcoming week. This will be my normal opening zone from the levels of $1302 to $1306, and I find the gold futures may see a gap up opening here at the level of $1316. The current position of moving average is evident enough for continuation of an uptrend in gold futures during the upcoming week. So I find the gold futures will try to maintain this 60-degree upward move during the upcoming week. On the other hand, I find my first resistance resistance at the level of $1311 and second resistance level will be at the level of $1321 and third resistance will be at the level of $1330 and my first support level will be at $1292, which will provide good support to gold futures. Friends, in this expected trading zone, I expect my first resistance at the level of $1312, where the gold futures may find stiff resistance due to the presence of 200 days moving average, which will provide stiff resistance to gold futures, and second resistance will be at the level of $1320. Third resistance will be at the level of $1330. But no doubt that the current momentum of the gold futures will remain intact due to the formation of three outside bullish candles and the current position of moving averages, which will help gold futures to maintain an uptrend on a 60-degree upward move during the upcoming week. On the other side, my support levels will be at the level of $1293 and second support will be at $1288. Third support level will be at $1282. So friends, here I would like to mention that be cautious while trading in gold futures, and I find that if we find a gap down opening at the level of $1298, gold futures will try to sustain once again at the level of $1281 before moving upward. But if we find an opening on the first trading session at the level of $1304, we will see a good upward move up to the level of $1313. Before moving upward, we will find some resistance where we may see the gold futures to sustain, and the gold futures will try to break this first resistance, and no doubt that the repeated attempts of gold futures may break this first resistance easily before moving up to the levels of $1321. On the other hand, if we find a gap of opening amid this zone, we will find the gold futures will find a good support at the 200 days moving average before moving upward. In that case, gold futures will try to maintain in the upper part of this trading zone, and I find that a sustainable move above the level of $1334 will encourage gold bulls to test the level of $1348 during the upcoming week. So friends, be ready to see an action in gold futures. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.